Hatem Dhiab, managing partner at Gerber Kawasaki Wealth Investment Management. It is great to see you. Right now, I'm seeing the stock under a little bit of pressure, but auto sales have been looking good, and Tesla's had a lot of positive commentary, even from things like Consumer Reports. They did the production. Are you hot on Tesla? It really has run up, though.
Hi, Nicole. Good to see you, too. Yeah, I really think it's going to be a good quarter. I mean, a lot of people are negative on it. Obviously, the stock is up quite well, but it's the whole auto sector is negative because I don't think anybody's buying cars right now. But Tesla, through their model, which basically people don't have to go to a dealership and can just order cars online. And the fact they can just deliver it to you is really gonna surprise on the upside, I think.
There were some concerns from at least one analyst over at Bank of America Merrill Lynch, concerns that they might have they downgraded it over at Bank of America Merrill Lynch, production challenges, higher costs. I mean, Elon Musk has put out some really aggressive numbers, has managed to meet or beat them, and is continuing to do so for this year. Are you seeing production challenges? Are you worried about higher costs or not really? Because right now it's trading at $7.17 a share. Where do you think it's truly valued?
Well, Elon doesn't really lowball things. He definitely set some really aggressive goals. China seems to be back online, and we're seeing actually higher production or ramp up in China than before the shutdown, so that's really positive. The Fremont is offline still. I think it's going to open back in May 4th here in the States. So they had maybe 3 or 4 weeks of shutdown. So we know we're going to have some slower numbers than expected. But ultimately, the Gigafactory is considered an essential business, so it was open. So they were still making batteries, and I don't see that being a huge negative. So you'll see some good numbers.
Yeah, I love seeing the Cybertruck. That was so everybody couldn't wait to see the Cybertruck, and there it is. So what kind of range do you see for the stock? I mean, I know that your firm has touted Tesla. They've been bulls on Tesla, right? Our friend Ross Gerber is on all the time. So tell me where you think the range is, a fair range. Right now it's sitting at $716, and the high was $968 and change. Where do you think it's headed in the next 6 months, 12 months? Years ahead?
It's tough for me to say what's going to happen in the short term. I don't think anybody knows where that's going to go. The stock is not cheap as it stands. But if you think about the next 3 or 5 years, it's tough not to see this company having $100 billion plus in revenue. And you can extrapolate that. You know, it's 140, 145 billion market cap today. This could be 3 or 4 times market cap in 3 to 5 years, and that's simply because I think they're going to dominate pretty much every category in the auto sector. They've already dominating the sedan. The crossover, I think, is going to be dominated by the Model Y. Luxury through the S is dominated, and then obviously the Cybertruck, when it comes out, will definitely take that category. In general, if you think about Tesla, it's really the safest, most advanced car. They have a national charging network no other EV has, and really they dominate the EV market. So it's just a superior product, and I think they are playing offense. Every other manufacturer is playing defense. So it's tough to see them not be much higher in the next few years.
Do you love Tesla? If you were to get a Tesla, which one would you get? Do you love the company overall? Think it's an exciting development?
I actually own the S model. I own the Model S, and it's the best car I've ever owned in my life. I think every one of my friends who buys a Tesla says I will never buy any other cars. So it's the
really
reality.
What's so great about it? I have 10 seconds left. What makes it so great? Why is it the greatest car you've ever owned?
So many things. Autopilot, the fact that I have a huge screen, the fact that it charges, it updates every few months. So many things.
All right. Hatem Dhiab, it's great to see you, managing partner, Gerber Kawasaki Wealth Investment Management. Thanks so much for your insight on Tesla.